Bolts army over there. This is high up in the air. Two fielders getting underneath, drops right in between, and they'll only get a single. And Thakur did go for glory there.
It's just not their day. It's just not their day, the Royals. The ball has bounced between fielders on numerous occasions here this afternoon. And this time it's Harsh Thakur that gets away with it. He wants to finish it with one blow.
You don't want to do that to Irie. A ricochet of the stumps, that'll be referred upstairs. I reckon Tripathi was safe.
Harsh Thakur's done so well. He's probably just saying, what are you thinking? Oh, hello. Oh, he's short. He is surely short. Bail off there. Surely the bail's off there. You take a single to Dipendra Singh Irie and your afternoon is finished.
You dare running when Irie is there inside the 30-yard circle. How fast he generates space in the middle to inflict a run out as well. Tripathi has to walk back. The inevitable is delayed for the Bolts at the moment. He walks back for 2. It's 182 for 5. You can see Sher Malla, they're having a discussion with coach Pubudu Dasnaike. Sher Malla got that winning hit in the last game that took them into the final and qualifier 2 against the Yaks. Mayan Yadav walks out, only 3 needed in 8 deliveries. 1 foot across the finishing line here for the Bolts, but they're refusing to take that second foot.
Yeah, there's some nervousness in the dugout, there's nerves in the middle. The Royals can make that work to their advantage. They'll be squeezing in on the single. Harsh Thakur won't want to take any more risks. He'll want to strike for the final over. Oh, it's going to go to the final over, isn't it? Thakur's going to hit it in the end. We're going to have a humdinger.
Oh dear. Spare a thought for Mayan Yadav, who's walked out. Pressure everywhere, nervous energy. HD smiling.
Well, I can see a dot. I can see a dot here, and I can see Harsh Thakur trying to finish it in one blow and getting out. Oh,
it is. It's a dot indeed. 3 needed in the final over. It's 182 for 5. Into the final over, the finals reaching a stage where the Bolts now need 3 from 6 and we're into the final over in a high-scoring game. We've seen it all in season 1 of the NPL. A 1-run win, a 1-wicket win, a super over, a century, 5 fours, and now another 4 to finish in the big final, HD.
What about a wicket off the first ball here? Mikhail, Harsh Thakur is going to try and finish it in one shot. I'm telling you. and he could risk getting out. He could be a hero with one stroke. Yeah, no one can look, because who would have thought that we've got to the final over?
Yeah, it was all looking so easy at one stage for the Bolts. Naren Saud has been asked to bowl the final over. He's the 8th bowling option here. They have a lot of options still left, but they go for Saud. He has 5 for 19, and he'll be bowling to Harsh Thakur. One strike away, the Bolts, from being crowned champions of NPL Season 1. All happening here. Here we go. Yeah, he gets a single. Make that 2 in 5. They're getting closer to a special moment here. Wow. They're seeing the final 5 deliveries of NPL Season 1. And a big shout out to everyone out here. It's been a festival of the Himalayas, quite literally a celebration in Nepal. HD. And it has had all of us on our feet, glued to the games, the quality of cricket. Yeah, this is the winning moment as well for the Janakpur Bolts. They create history. They emerge champions of NPL Season 1, and they've etched their names in the annals of history, forever remembered as the gold standard of achievement. The players run onto the field, and the Bolt synergy is a marvel to behold, with each member a vital cog in a well-oiled machine that churned out victories with ease. Congratulations.